Now we have part 3, first question. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Please here means to make someone happy. But as a result of her efforts, her father became rather angry. He got upset too. First of all, we can mention grandmother's efforts. Every now and then she tried to improve the relationship between the two. Two means father and Kezia. Birthday present. Birthday present, it was grandmother who suggested that Kezia should prepare a handmade gift for her father as his birthday was approaching. Now Kezia acted upon her grandmother's advice, and the problem which he faced was, but what to fill it with? And the answer to this question created havoc. It created disaster in Kezia's life. And what was the answer to this question? She looked for some stuffing to fill her case of the pillow, case of the cushion with, and accidentally she entered her parents' room, and there she saw a bunch of fine papers, and that was actually Port Authority speech of her father, which she tore and used that as a filling for the cushion. And what was the result? Corporal punishment was given to her. The girl was beaten with a ruler. I am going to beat you for this, he said. Her father. And students, you need to quote from the text. Do not forget that. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. And here the author informs us, efforts backfired, but that was girl's mistake too. Though she tried to make her father happy, but in the wrong manner, as she touched the things which did not belong to her, and she did not even ask anyone. She herself could not understand, as she was little, that papers could be some important documents. She just took and tore the papers and prepared that pin cushion. So that was the mistake on the girl's part. So this is how Kezia's efforts to please her father rather resulted in displeasing him very much. Next question we have, Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers, different sorts of fathers, different types of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? We very well know about Kezia's father. He was a strict disciplinarian. Not only this, he also gave corporal punishment to the girl. Now again, first point is corporal punishment for her mistake. And what was her mistake? Her mistake was that she tore the papers which did not belong to her at all. Rather, that was a very important document of her father. Long lasting impression, and that corporal punishment left a long lasting impression on Kezia's mind and heart. You remember that her grandmother said that she would forget that in morning, but that was wrong. The girl could never forget that, but the child never forgot. Author informs us. What did God make fathers for? Rather, she resulted in saying this, what did God make fathers for? Because for her, her father was quite strict, and he also gave corporal punishment, physical punishment to her. Whereas Mr. MacDonald was quite a loving father who would play with his children. And this is how Kezia came to decide that there were different sorts of fathers, and all fathers were not so strict. And the next question is,